Let's talk about Neuftech wired sensor bar replacement for original Nintendo Wii Wii U sensor bar with cable stand. Strong sturdy design for perfect accuracy, perfect replacement to original sensor bar for Nintendo Wii Wii U sensor bar. Wired sensor bar does not need battery, includes clear sensor bar stand and with adhesive for easy attachment to TV, monitor or any smooth surface. The sensor strip provides the reception communication between the Wii remote control controller and the console via infrared technology. Compatible with all Nintendo Wii Wii U models and work with just as the original sensor bar. Attention, 100 brand new, branded products from Neuftech, no Nintendo original product. Replacement for the one chewed by our cat. What can I say, does the job perfectly, and came right on time. Good. Speedy dispatch and work fine.